How to get insurance for a new car, 9 Steps Guide. 1. Check your state's requirements. Research your state's minimum required insurance coverage, such as liability, PIP, or uninsured motorist coverage. 2. Gather necessary information. Collect details about your car, make, model, VIN, your personal information, driver's license address, driving history, and financing details if applicable. 3. Decide on coverage types. Evaluate coverage options based on your needs, liability, required in most states, collision and comprehensive for better protection. Gap insurance if you financed or leased your car. 4. Compare insurance providers. Request quotes from multiple insurers online, through comparison tools, or by contacting agents. Look for discounts such as bundling policies or safe driving rewards. 5. Choose the best policy. Select a policy that offers sufficient coverage, meets state and lender requirements, and fits your budget. Check deductibles and coverage limits carefully. 6. Share vehicle purchase details. Provide the insurer with the car's VIN, purchase date, and dealer or lender information to finalize the policy. 7. Activate your insurance. Make your first premium payment to bind the policy. You'll receive proof of insurance, which is required to drive legally and register your car. 8. Register your vehicle. Visit your local DMV with proof of insurance, your car's title, and other required documents to complete the registration. 9. Review your policy regularly. Reassess your coverage annually or when changes occur, such as moving or paying off your loan, to ensure your policy stays relevant.